My name is Abhishek Nath. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic which we have been experiencing during our life. So, this topic is nothing about which happens during the night time, that too during our sleep. So, the interesting topic which I am going to talk is nothing about dreams. And I am going to give you a fact, that to six interesting facts about dreams. So, let me get into the topic right away. So, generally, dreams is the combination of images, ideas, emotion, and sensation. So, if you see, this dream occurs during the deep stages of sleep. So, generally, many people have encountered dreams in various parts of our life, and generally, people doesn't know why dreams occur. But what we know is dream occurs during the REM stages of sleep. So REM is nothing but rapid eye movement of our sleep. So if you generally take this in the stages of sleep, your brain activity will be comparatively high and it will resemble the activities while you are awake. And not only that, there has been various research that has been going on about this dream. Some dream will come true and other dreams may not come true. But the dreams which come true is based on inner consciousness and the thought process of what we think. So this is a general idea about the dream. I have even read an article where blind people also will dream and they will dream visually. So this is the one of the main interesting facts that I have read today. So here are some of the facts which I am going to share to you. So according to me, these are the six interesting facts that I have read today. So the first interesting fact is nothing but 95% of our dreams will be forgotten when you are awake during the first 10 minutes. This is because our memory part of our brain, or otherwise known as the frontal lobe, will be inactive during our sleep. So this frontal lobe, what will do is, it will record what and all we are seeing throughout the day. But during the night, it will be inactive. So only our 95% of the dreams will be forgotten during the first 10 minutes when you are awake. The second important topic is nothing but not all the dreams are in color. While most of the dreams we see are in color, but the other dreams which we dream are not in color, they are in black and white. So this is the second important topic which I like to say. The third important topic which I like to say is nothing but men and women dream differently. Why I am saying this? Because many of us think that men and women dream equally. But whereas the fact is, we don't dream equally. We dream differently. For example, if you take men, their dreams will be more aggressive and will be related to physical activities, whereas the women will be in rejection and they will have softer dreams compared to men's dream. So this is the third interesting fact that I like to share with you. The fourth interesting fact which I found out is, believe me or not, even animals dream. When I read this, it was pretty surprising for me, and this is the most interesting for me too. Why? Because what we know is just humans only dream, but the case is not like that. Even animals go into REM stages of sleep and they intend to dream. Even the article states that when dogs dream, they even wag their tail, and even when cats dream, they used to move their forelimbs. So this is our most important topic, or most interesting fact for me. The fifth interesting fact is nothing but you can even control your dream. So here the researchers have found that in lucid dreaming, you can dream according to your wish, and you can even change your dream according to it. So this is the fifth interesting topic which I like to say. The sixth important fact is, so you may be paralyzed during your dream. When you dream, you will be paralyzed. This sometimes it may work for some people. Why? Because the researchers have found that during their dream they will not be able to move their hands or legs. So even this paralysis may continue in the morning when you wake up for at least 10 minutes. So this condition is known as sleep paralysis. So these are the 6 important and interesting facts which I have found. For you, I have even additional 2 facts which I have found interesting. One is, most of the dreams which you dream will be negative. So here, the researchers have conducted 50,000 people about the dreams, and what they found out was most of the dreams that people dreamt are negative dreams. So here the negative dreams are more common, and as I said earlier, the last one is blind people dream visually. Even though they are not able to see, they are able to dream visually and see their dream. These are the 8 interesting facts about dreams. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.